In the heart of the industrial world, where raw materials fuel the engines of progress, lies Weba Chutes, a company on a mission to revolutionize bulk material handling. With over 5,000 installations, Weba Chutes has built a legacy of excellence in engineering custom transfer point solutions. They don't just build chutes, they engineer solutions. Every industry, from diamond mining to cement production, faces unique challenges in handling bulk materials. Inefficient transfer points can lead to dust blockages, equipment damage, and even safety hazards. But Weba Chutes is here to change that. With their scientific approach and meticulous engineering, they create bespoke solutions for every application. Using a recent project at a cement plant as an example, the old chute system kicked up a dust storm, creating environmental and health concerns. Weba Chutes designed a new chute that virtually eliminated dust emissions, exceeding expectations and delivering cleaner air. And it's not just about dust. In the harsh environment of a chrome ore mine, Weba Chutes tackled challenges like wear and tear and spillage. Their innovative design kept the material flowing smoothly, boosting efficiency and reducing costs. It's from sticky iron ore to the demanding conditions of gold. Weba Chutes has a proven track record of success across diverse industries. Weba Chutes isn't just about the present. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of innovation. Their patented swing mechanism tames the flow of large particles, while their quick-release lip makes maintenance a breeze. From South Africa to Namibia, from diamonds to iron ore, Weba Chutes is woven into the fabric of global industries. Their chutes are more than just steel and rubber. They're testaments to human ingenuity, driving efficiency, safety, and progress. So, the next time you see a conveyor belt carrying the building blocks of our world, remember Weba Chutes, revolutionizing bulk material handling, one chute at a time.